Hello everyone, today's topic is essay on Ma Vaishno Devi Temple in English. Please do subscribe my channel. The world famous and ancient temple of Ma Vaishno Devi is situated on the hills near Katra city of Jammu and Kashmir state of India. These hills are called Trikuta Hills. The temple of Ma Vaishno Devi's height is about 5200 feet. Ma Vaishno Devi is main goddess of Hindu religion. Here Adi Shakti form Mahalakshmi, Mahakali and Mahasaraswati are present in the form of pindis. The combined form of these three pindis is called Ma Vaishno Devi. The temple of Ma Vaishno Devi is in a beautiful ancient cave on Trikuta mountain, which is known as Vaishno Mata. The length of this cave is about 98 feet. Vaishno Devi is also known by the names Mata Rani, Vaishnavi, Durga, Sherawali, Jotawali, Pahadawali, Bhagwati, Jagdamba, etc. It is believed that Ma Vaishno Devi had incarnated as a beautiful princess in the form of Ma Parvati, Saraswati and Lakshmi in Treta Yuga for the welfare of mankind. Ma Vaishno Devi is very powerful. She performed penance on Trikuta mountain. It is believed that she spent 9 months in this cave. Later, her body merged into the subtle form of the three divine energies Mahalakshmi, Mahakali and Mahasaraswati. There is a big platform in this cave. Mother's Asan is on this platform where the Ma Trikuta is seated. The building is the place where Ma killed Bhairavnath. His head flew away to Bhairav Valley 3 kilometers away and his body remained here. The place where the head fell is today known as the Temple of Bhairavnath. It is believed that after killing the Bhairavnath, he regretted his mistake and sought forgiveness from Ma Vaishno Devi. Then she gave a boon and said that my darshan will not be considered complete until devotees will see you after me. Ma is adorned in red colored chundri or sari and full gold jewelry. In this temple, Aarti is performed every morning and evening. To reach this temple, people have to climb about 14 kilometers. The temple of Bhairav Baba above the temple Ma Vaishno Devi is also very famous. After having darshan of Mata, people also go to visit the temple of Bhairavnath. Only then the darshan of Vaishno Devi is considered complete. Many facilities like horse, carriage, helicopters, etc. are also available to go there. It is a major pilgrimage site in India. Every year, lakhs of people come here to visit. There is a huge crowd of people during the Navratri. Ma Vaishno Devi is especially worshipped during the Navratri festival. Ma Vaishno Devi always keeps her blessings on her devotees. Thanks for watching.